So on these exhaust manifold gaskets, they have like this crush. It's like a crush washer for the gasket. So the important part is to clean the port closest to the port, so that's where it's gonna seal up the most. It's like beveled for the gasket. So put this on. And then we'll torque it to spec. "45 foot-pounds. Oh. Can you see that? Yeah, barely. Sorry. Hey, you want? That's why I got a. Alright chat, we got the torque spec. We got 20 foot-pounds first round, 40 foot-pounds second round, 70 foot-pounds third round, and then fourth round for like 4 of them. It's gonna be 75 foot-pounds at the end, so let's get at it. All ready for installation, boys. Alright guys, we installed the head gasket on, as you can see here. Gotta be very careful with this, because make sure it doesn't break on us. And O-rings. Then we have head gasket week, but we're ready to install the head now. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now we're gonna lightly lubricate our threads for our head bolts and install all 26 onto the head. Even though the bolts come with a little bit of oil on them, still like to put a little, just a little line of it, you know, just in case. Alright, so now we're gonna run these down with a ratchet just so they can bottom out, and then after that we're gonna do our torque sequence, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So I got the torque specs here. We got 111 foot-pounds sequence A, which is circle pattern, and then 176 foot-pounds circle pattern, and then 176 foot-pounds left to right. That's sequence number B, and then at the end of that, then we're going to do a 90-degree turn on each bolt head in sequence A. So we'll do sequence A, and then I'll show you guys sequence B when we get there. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles, and so on and so forth. As you can see, all our lines are pointing towards the back, so we got everything down to that 90-degree torque to yield, so we're all set with torquing the head down.